Hey, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and today I'd like to introduce you to the brand new Milwaukee M12 Radio Plus charger. You see on the back here, we have an M12 battery, and it will charge when it's plugged in to a wall outlet with this adapter. It'll charge up your M12 battery. It doesn't charge M18 batteries, but it will charge up your M12 battery. So let me show you around a little bit here. It's AM/FM radio plus Bluetooth, and it has a clock. One thing you want to do right away is it comes with two AAA batteries, and they go right in here. So put those in first, because your display will work and your presets will work and so forth if you put these batteries in first. So it takes the M12 battery and it takes two AAA batteries. And my tip for taking out this little screw is magnetize your small Phillips screwdriver, and then this little screw won't get lost. It'll just stay on the tip. The M12 battery goes right in here, and it will play on the M12 battery, or it will play from your wall outlet if this is plugged in. So here's your power button right here. That turns right on. And I guess that's saying the Bluetooth is working for me. There you go. So this will play from 100 feet away. This is your presets. You have 5 AM presets and 5 FM presets. There's your volume up and down, and it has the display 0 through 15 for your volume. So the presets cycle through. See, it's on preset number 4 right now. There's 5, and then it goes to 1 again. It doesn't go backwards. So that's the way it works. It goes forwards. If you are at number 2, you want to go back to number 1 preset, well, you got to go all the way through. There's number 1. And then this right here is where you would charge up your smartphone or smart device right there. That is 2.1 amps DC. And this is where you plug in your wall adapter. Okay, it's your wall adapter right here. Most of us call them transformers. It transforms from 120 volts AC to 14 volts DC. To change the treble, you press and hold the AM/FM button, and you can change the treble all the way to 7, and then you press and hold it one more time, and you can change the bass. So you can control your equalization, bass and treble with the AM/FM button. You just press it down and hold it. Alright, with the battery in it, the unit weighs 4 pounds, 12.2 ounces. Now, you notice there's a green light right here. That means that this M12 battery is charged up all the way. If it was charging, there would be a red light right here. It's a really simple unit. You got the M12 battery here, you got two AAA batteries here, you got your 2.1 amp DC, you got your 14 volt DC adapter, preset, AM/FM, Bluetooth, clock, volume, and this changes your channels. And there you go. It's just a nice compact little unit, not too heavy. See, you can just carry it with one hand and so forth. And it's got a nice handle, and the handle has a slot right here where you can hang it on a screw or a nail, and then this goes all the way through. So if you want to put a wire in there and hang it on with a wire, then that'll work too. So the unit costs about $119 currently. That's without a battery, and then with a battery it's $178. It's real tough. I mean, it's built tough for job sites. It's built tough for dropping and so forth. Don't drop it, but if you do, it should be protected. And it's got an IP54 rating, which means that it will protect the unit from some dust and sprinkling and so forth. I'll put a link in my video description for this unit without a battery and I'll put a link for it with the battery. I'll also put links for the new Milwaukee M18 whole hog and for the new Milwaukee M18 compact bandsaw. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.